Warm welcome. In this session, let's understand what is credit rating. Credit rating is basically an opinion on credit worthiness of an entity and also opinion on relative degree of risk in timely payment of interest and or principal of debt instrument. Okay, so this talks about two things. One is credit worthiness of an entity. Two, what is the level of risk inherent in the timely repayment of interest or and principal of that debt instrument. So credit rating basically comments on the likelihood of default in comparison with other rated instruments, and it indicates probability of default. Credit rating also sets benchmark, so that would help in measuring and pricing credit. And who and all can be rated? Individuals, corporation, state, provincial authority, and even sovereign government.